Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change text message notification sound on your iPhone. Simply, you just open your message apps and you just select a conversation. Like select this conversation. Press on to profile. You get edit option. Press on to edit option. Scroll down. As you can see, showing it to ringtone and text tone. Just open this and you just easily change any tone for this specific person. Press on right mark. Now successfully set up this. Or if you want to change text message notification your all conversation, simply open your settings, scroll down, sound and haptics, scroll down, showing it to text tone, and easily set any sound. That's it.